Chapter 18. Appropriate prepositions. What is appropriate preposition? According to English usage, certain words are followed by particular prepositions. These are called appropriate prepositions. Let's see examples. Abide by. You should abide by the rules. Abound in. Fish abounds in this pond. Abound with. The river abounds with fish. Absent from. He was absent from school. Access to. The public has no access to this garden. Accompanied by. He was accompanied by his father. Accompanied with. He has fever accompanied with headache. Adjacent to. His school is adjacent to his house. Admit to. He was admitted to class 6th. Admit into. He was admitted into the room. Belong to. This book belongs to me. Beware of. Beware of pickpockets. Close to. The school is very close to our house. Congratulate on. I congratulate you on your success. Consist of. This class consists of 50 boys. Consist in. Happiness consists in contentment. Dedicated to. This book is dedicated to his teacher. Dislike for. I have dislike for dogs. Deal in. He deals in diamonds. Excuse for. He will not be excused for coming late. End in. All his plans ended in smoke. Famous for. Radhanagar is famous for the birthplace of Raja Ram Mohan. Fit for. He is not fit for the job. Full of. This tank is full of water. Hope for. Let us hope for the best. Hard of. He is hard of hearing. Invite to. I invited him to dinner. Insist on. He insisted on her going home. Jealous of. I'm not at all jealous of his fortune. Jump to. Without discussion, don't jump to any conclusion. Lack of. I have no lack of friends. Live by. He lives by honest means. Look after. There is none to look after her. Loyal to. He is loyal to his master. Mad with. He is mad with pain. Make out. He cannot make out the fault. Need of. He is in need of money. Opposite to. Your idea is opposite to mine. A house is opposite to the park. Obliged to a person for a thing. I'm obliged to him for his kind help. Parallel to. This road is parallel to that. Proud of. He is proud of his position. Quarrel with a person for. They quarrelled with one another for property. Quick at. He is quick at figures. Restrict to. Admission was restricted to students. Rid of. Get rid of bad company. Smile on. Fortune smiled on him. Sympathy for. I have no sympathy for him. Take after. The boy takes after means resembles his father. Think of. What do you think of him? Unite with. Be united with your friends. Useful to, for. This book is useful to us for UPS exam. Void of. He is void of common sense. Wait for. I waited for him for 2 hours. Weak in. He is weak in chemistry. Zest for. She has no zest for music. Zeal for. She has zeal for social work. Special prepositions. Than. Than is usually a conjunction, but it is sometimes used as preposition. I cannot accept less than 50 rupees for this article. Here, than is a preposition. He is taller than I. Here, than is a conjunction. But, as a rule, but is a conjunction. When used as preposition, but means except. All is lost but honor. He returned all the gifts but one. Here but is preposition. Ramesh is intelligent but failed in exam. Here but is conjunction. Subscribe to my channel. Click on bell icon to get notification about new video.